Then we have a Bridgeport 1 horsepower mill. Hooked up to 230 volt 3-phase power. I'm gonna run it here and show you that it works. First, we're gonna run the travels and the vise. See the vise. And you can set the vise in the center or wherever you need to set it on the table. Okay, now this will be your side to side on your table. And you can see the Y or the X changing the precision on the meter. This will be your in and out here, your Y axis. And that also changes on the meter. And then the last one's gonna be your up and down. And right now we're going up. That's one direction. We'll go the other direction. You have the manual variable speed where you gotta change the belt, but you just loosen this nut and then you loosen the belt and you can change the pulley so you can change your speed.